When Thomas comes on the show, we usually make a lovely cake, some cookies, but today we're celebrating chocolate on its own because when it's good quality, you really don't need much to it, do you?
A square of chocolate is the perfect little sweet dessert just on its own. And then there's lots of different ways that you can actually enjoy and savour chocolate as well.
Absolutely.
I brought something new for you. So we got Lindt Excellence Vanilla. So,
So good.
really one of those beautiful, light and balanced sort of chocolates. So this is only about 50% cacao. So if you have a smell of that, you get that beautiful, rich vanilla.
Yep.
And it's really not bitter at all. So it's really delicate in flavour.
Fantastic.
What I thought this would go really well with is an old-fashioned. And it's not quite the classic old-fashioned. I actually made a vanilla old-fashioned. So we built this by putting orange bitters in the bottom and then some vanilla liqueur and then topped it up with bourbon. And then just to finish, we're going to put, firstly, vanilla bean and reuse this as well. So
Yes.
this is always perfect. Now, to traditional sort of old-fashioned sometimes has a cherry in there as well.
This is almost like a lovely warming dessert by the fire.
Oh, absolutely. That's exactly what it is. And then we actually finish it off with a little bit of orange as well. Can you smell it? That's all those beautiful essential oils of the orange come through. So take a little bite of that beautiful vanilla chocolate, let it melt on your tongue.
You can taste the vanilla. That's divine.
It's a really good chocolate. And then the perfect partner for it, just a little bit something interesting, a little bit different, a little twist to the classic.
Ooh, that's good. It is like a flavour explosion in your mouth. And when you've had a big meal and you just want just a little something to finish the night off, that with this new chocolate from Lindt is stunning. Vanilla chocolate. I'm addicted.
Perfect.